Hello children, hope you all fine. This is me again Shobhi. Today we are going to see the third chapter, Know Your Body. In this module, you will identify the different body parts. Right? Meet the two children, Sugan and Rita. They have also grown up like you. Now, they want to share with you that what they have learnt about parts of the body. Right? Let me see. Can you tell me the names of various parts of body? Great. Let us know more. The main parts of our body: head, face, neck, hands, stomach and legs. As we can see here, the head. The head is the main and topmost part of the body. Head consists of the hair and face. The face is the front part of the head. It consists of one forehead, two eyes, one nose, two ears, two cheeks, one mouth with the teeth inside and one chin. This part of body is called neck. We can move our head because of our neck. This is chest. The neck joins the head and chest together. This is the stomach. It lies below the chest. This part of the body is called the shoulder. We have two shoulders. The two arms are joined to the shoulders. Different parts of the arm are elbow, wrist and hand. Hand consists 4 fingers and 1 thumb. We have 2 legs. Our legs help us to move from one place to another place. It consists thigh, knee, ankle, foot, 5 toes on each foot. I think you have learnt about part of our body. When we look at our part in the body, some organ like the nose, mouth, head, stomach, chest, they are all one. But there are 2 others. We have paws, 2 eyes, 2 ears, 2 hands, 2 knees, 2 elbows. Right? But there are 10 others like fingers, toes. Right? In our body, some parts are in single, some parts are in pairs, and fingers and toes are in 10. Right? We have learned lot about identify the parts of our body pictures. Now, let's have some fun time. We will sing a song on that. Right? Come, get ready to clap your hands. Clap, clap, clap your hands. Clap your hands together. Clap, clap, clap your hands. Clap your hands together. Now let's pat your knees. Pat, pat, pat your knees. Pat your knees together. Pat, pat, pat your knees. Pat your knees together. Now let's stomp your feet together. Stomp, stomp, stomp your feet. Stomp your feet together. Stomp, stomp, stomp your feet. Stomp your feet together. Now let's blink your eyes. Blink, blink, blink your eyes. Blink your eyes together. Blink, blink, blink your eyes. Blink your eyes together. Now let's Clap your hands. Clap, clap, clap your hands. Clap your hands together. Clap, clap, clap your hands. Clap your hands together. Right. Have you enjoyed this song? Right. Now let me see today's new words. Head, H-E-A-D, head. Eyes, E-Y-E-S, eyes. Nose, N-O-S-E, nose. Ears, E-A-R-S, ears. Mouth, M-O-U-T-H, mouth. Neck, N-E-C-K, neck. Chest, C-H-E-S-T, chest. Arm, A-R-M, arm. Hand, H-A-N-D, hand. Stomach, S-T-O-M-A-C-H, stomach. Leg, L-E-G, leg. Foot, F-O-O-T, foot. Right. Let's start today's writing. Write today's date. Lesson number is 3. Know your body. K-N-O-W, know your. Y-O-U-R, your body. B-O-D-Y. Know your body. The Roman letter 1. New words. N-E-W, new words. W-O-R-D-S, new words. The first word is head. H-E-A-D, head. The second word is mouth. M-O-U-T-H, mouth. Third word is ears. E-A-R-S, ears. The fourth word is eyes. E-Y-E-S, eyes. The fifth word is nose. N-O-S-E, nose. The sixth word is tongue. T-O-N-G-U-E, tongue. The seventh word is neck. N-E-C-K, neck. Eighth word is chest. C-H-E-S-T, chest. Ninth word is hands. H-A-N-D-S, hands. Draw a line in center and continue the writing. 10th word is elbow. E-L-B-O-W, elbow. The 11th word is fingers. F-I-N-G-E-R-S, fingers. The 12th word is legs. L-E-G-S, legs. The 13th word is knees. K-N-E-E-S, knees. The 14th word is feet. F-E-E-T, feet. The 15th word is toes. T-O-E-S, toes. The 16th word is lips. L-I-P-S, lips. Write neatly, children. Refer the page number 36 and 37 to answer the following questions. Does everyone have same fingerprint? What pairs do you have in your body? I hope you have all understand about body parts. See you again. Bye.